Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to a new Trend of the Week video. Yet another battery investment. If you look at batteries, alternative energy in general, I think the market is thinking very short term and it's been pounding these stocks. This is a chart for LICY, which is a lithium recycling company, startup. It's been pounded, as you can tell, repeatedly. There's been a lot of short action reports of this is an Enron scale. There are potentially questions about how when you decide to recognize revenue, given the fact that it's a long process. It was a SPAC when it went public, that's how it did it. So it's got all those governance problems. I mean, this is a company that's still growing up. But if you can step back and take a longer term perspective, not just this company, but this whole sector is kind of interesting. And the long term perspective comes from one of those fossil fuel companies that we love to hate, particularly this company, it's Koch Industries. They have a venture capital division, which has been putting money into, what do you know, battery companies, a fossil fuel company deciding that the future, at least good enough to invest in, is batteries. They led a $102 million VC round for a startup called 6K. They have put $100 million into LICY Holdings. They have put $30 million into a solid state battery maker called Blue Current, $100 million into Standard Lithium, $50 million into a joint venture with Norway's Freer battery company. So what I'm interested in is this as a counter perspective to the market, which right now doesn't see beyond 6 months out. Certainly doesn't see why anybody would want to invest anything long term when the Fed is raising interest rates. But Koch and other companies with longer terms, as well as venture capital, all say, hey, longer term perspective says put some money in here. The only one of these companies that I know of that's public is LICY. I've recommended it. I own it in a couple of their online portfolios. Take the longer term perspective if you can manage and still sleep at night. Thanks for watching. This has been my Trend of the Week video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notification of when I'm doing the next one. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com, or my paid site, jubakam.com, which has got portfolios that include risky stuff like environmental, global warming stocks. Thanks for watching.